Hey guys, this is me, Ty. I'm gonna show you about my Hoover self-propelled premium wind tunnel by Hoover. I got this off of eBay because I like these machines. They're good machines too. And anyways, I'll show you a couple of things in there. First thing I'm gonna show you is the high adjustments. What's that? Carpet. 2. Number 3. Turn a brush roll on and off. Just raise it up. Keep it up on number 2. Okay. Alright. Show you from here. Another filter. Put a dry sheet in there. Put a brand new bag in it. It fits. A whole dirt inside of it. And it's a Hoover type Y. Not paper bag. I don't like paper bags. Has this high and regular setting. Take it back and forwards. Light tell you when it's clean or it's dirty. There's 3 onboard tools. This is your upholstery tool for cars, curtains, clothes, and steps. This one right here is your crevice tools, again, cracks and mixing crannies. And this is for your bookshelves, your books, your lampshades, your lamps, ceiling fans, and all that other stuff. I got a turbo tool too, which I don't feel like getting up and get it. Just take along. Got some additional hose. Model is U6449.